Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTN. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up there above the $1.40 mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $1.40, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above $1.40, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the health of the move, this right here being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control. You know, the bulls are in full health. Yeah, again, if the price can stay above $1.40, that would be great. But from a grand scheme of things perspective, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. I'm not even going to talk about levels of resistance because in my opinion, right now, as this chart has demonstrated, as long as the price just builds, oh, there's an annotation from a long time ago. Anyways, as long as the price continues to build higher bases like it's been doing, everything else is going to continue to take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. I mean, when you stop and think about it from a literal perspective, if a price keeps getting higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, then by default, the chart runs out of room and the price has got to go higher, aka break levels of resistance. So that's why I say right now, just focus on continue to build those higher bases and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.